Hello BKR family and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you two different ways to make a delicious Nigerian cuisine with a tutorial on how to make moi moi. Join me as we explore the unique technique behind this tasty, healthy West African dish. First, you have to boil some eggs, and if you're vegan you can skip this part. Traditionally, when you're making moi moi, you'd prepare the beans first, but in this video I'll be using beans flour that I processed myself to make things simpler. If you want to see how I process my beans flour on this channel, tell me in the comment section below. Or if you'd like to see me use the raw beans to do my moi moi, then also let me know in the comment section below. So first things first, let's go over the ingredients you're going to need to make moi moi. You'll need 2 cups of beans flour, 3 stock cubes, 2 bell peppers, 1 medium-sized onion, 4 habanero peppers, 1/4 cup of crayfish, which you can skip if you're not a fan of, and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil or your favorite oil. You can use avocado oil, coconut oil, whatever you prefer. You'll notice that I'm using only bell peppers here, but feel free to use raw paprika too if you prefer the taste of that. These simple yet flavorful ingredients come together to create a lovely dish that is both nutritious and satisfying. So to a blender, add all the ingredients mentioned and add a liter of water and blend until the consistency is completely smooth. As usual, you can check the description box below to find the complete list of ingredients that I use in this video. The consistency of the batter should be similar to a pancake batter, thick but pourable. Next, you season the batter with a teaspoon of salt, and now this is where you can get creative and adjust the seasoning to your taste. You can also add some corned beef to the batter here, cooked fish, canned fish, and etc. In this video, I'll be using 2 specific additional ingredients, which are the boiled eggs and canned Titus fish. In the first method, I'll be using clean banana leaves as moi moi wraps. You can use banana leaves, aluminium foil, a baking dish, or even silicone molds to shape your moi moi. If you're using containers, remember to grease these containers lightly to prevent sticky. Fill the moi moi wraps with the seasoned batter, add an egg, and wrap carefully like you're seeing in this video. Start from one end and fold the leaves into the shape of a funnel, and fold the bottom of the leaf to the back. Fill them out about 3/4 of the leaf. Don't go all the way full, and fold carefully but tightly enclose the batter and bend the top of the leaves to the back. Place it carefully in a pot that is lined with banana leaves. I usually use the leaves that already have holes in them or half leaves instead of throwing them away. Using banana leaves is my favorite way of making moi moi, since it infuses a special unique flavor to the moi moi. And you can also use banana leaves at the top of the pot before covering the pot. One bonus tip is you can use a single large leaf that is sizable to wrap the moi moi, or you can choose to use 2 leaves to wrap the moi moi. I find that using 1 leaf is simpler to wrap the moi moi compared to using 2 leaves. But in any case, ensure that you make sure that the moi moi is wrapped very tightly to prevent spillage in the pot. Add some water to the pot and cook the moi moi. Cover the pot and steam the moi moi for about 45 minutes. While the moi moi is cooking, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see me create some more tasty recipes. After 45 minutes, bring out the moi moi from the pot and allow it to cool down and set. For the second method, I'll be using ceramic Ramekins bowls, and I decided to add some twist to it by adding canned fish to the batter and stirring the batter once more. Place some of the batter in the bowls that are already greased and put them in a pan. I added half an egg to each of the bowls, added some water and covered the pot to allow it to cook. When you're using ceramic bowls, you should monitor the cooking process closely so that it doesn't run out of water and get burnt, as you'll need to keep topping up the water until it's fully cooked, which is around 40 minutes. Then you bring out the moi moi and allow it to cool down. And there you have it, delicious homemade moi moi, ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot or cold as a side dish or a main course. However you choose to enjoy this, I guarantee it will be a hit. As you can see, I serve mine with a bowl of custard, and this combo is a particular breakfast choice. Thanks for watching the basic kitchen recipes. I hope you enjoyed this moi moi tutorial. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video. Give it a thumbs up. If you give this recipe a try, be sure to tag us on social media so we can see your creation. And until next time, happy cooking, BKR family.